I just trained a large language model in 30 minutes on one GPU, and I will show you exactly how to do it. About 30 cents or even lower in about 30 minutes. So if you go to the link I leave below, this is the repository, and it's a 10 million parameter model trained on 200 million tokens. So you may just copy paste this, I'm gonna leave this below, and tell your AI agent like Claude or Codex to clone this repository and follow instructions. Read README for downloading the data. It can do everything. Everything is documented exactly how to do it, so you don't even need to do anything. Our goal is to start publishing real open source large language models, so you will be actually doing real AI research if you contribute here and train these models. So are you able to beat this record just set by me? So if you can beat this record, you're gonna end up in this leaderboard and you're gonna help us, because I wanna actually use this to publish real LLMs. The first one we want to beat is this small LM 235 million parameters. So right now our small LM just has 10 million, but this is how we're gonna begin, establish this system, and then we're gonna scale to a bit bigger model. Hopefully later we can end up at artificial analysis and compete with these models here. I'm not sure how far up we can get with fully open source model, open source research, but our goal is to accelerate everybody. So you may just ask your codex or Claude code to explain to you this repository that I made. The dataset, everything is 100% ready. It can do everything by itself as well. Or you may need to help it a bit, but that way you will understand it. It can help you understand. And so you can recreate the baseline, and then you can go ahead and do some architecture changes. So there are other two repositories here that you can check. They also do these speedruns. Now their speedruns are for different purpose. It's just research, but here we want to actually publish LLMs. And how to train this LLM, everything is explained in the README file. So first you need to make sure you have GPU. Then you need to install the requirements. So I just run some cloud GPU and tell my codex to connect to it. I give it the command and everything. And then you can download this dataset. So just tell it to download this dataset from README. It maybe already knows. And then just tell it to start the training, and that's it. It's gonna start the training. I also got some ideas for improvement in the issues. You can just copy any of these issues or tell your AI to try these issues. And then if you get a record or you beat the record, you can just post on Discord, link below. Or you can create an issue or create an issue with your record, and I'll check it out. But I will check it out within the same day, hopefully. So this is the main leaderboard. However, below that there are two smaller leaderboards. This is just for your quick experimentation. If you can, this is for quickly eliminating very bad results. But it doesn't mean that if it underperforms here that it will not beat this one, because you don't know exactly. Anyways, I will update small ones only with records and architectures that beat this big record, because this is just proxy for experimentation. This is the real thing that's actually useful to train. So now I told my Claude to give me some suggestions on how to improve it. Now it's gonna give me some suggestions. Now these are very basic parameter sweeps, so I actually wanna direct it to read parameter golf by OpenAI and try to do this research, or try to give it these ideas, because those are more like research ideas, but there is nothing wrong with these as well. But if you are looking to learn to do research, then don't just do basic parameter sweeps. You should actually try to do some more research, but this also helps. So this is also very helpful. So whichever you want. Claude is usually able to fully carry out experiments on its own. So you can just fork the repository, tell it to do experiments, and you may supervise it. If it gets too complex, you may tell it to summarize in one sentence. Tell me in one sentence the next step, or explain it in one sentence. This is what I sometimes use when it's just too complex, too many things to understand. We want to train the main LLM on 20 times, so tokens to parameters. So if you have 10 million parameters, you want to train it to 200 million tokens, because this is shown to be optimal in Chinchilla paper. But if you are training a final model for production, that model will get inferenced a lot. So a bit of intelligence is gonna have big effects, because it's always gonna be inferenced. So we can train that on 100x or 1000x, or 10,000, this is 1000, or 1500x. I can go through the repository a bit now. So we have the baselines. These are just the JSON. Here is one JSON file that shows the baseline run. Benchmarks, we are not yet using benchmarks, so we will use that later. Configs, the most important one is LLM config, so this is just hyperparameters and the presets, so the screen ones and the big one that we are training. So this is the one that we are not training yet. This is going to be our attempt to beat the small LM, but this is requires a lot of compute right now, so we don't have it now. You can check data folder. It's just to download the Hugging Face data and to load, so this is already done automatically by your AI agent. And I have prepared dataset on Hugging Face, so you don't need to worry about it. Docs folder has some of the goals, templates. You can check the vision for this project. We want to try to build like some globally distributed AI research lab. I don't know how much compute we can get with this. Maybe we can partner with NVIDIA and all this stuff. Models contains literally the code for the LLM, so components, layers, LLM. Squared ReLU, you can try replacing squared ReLU with leaky ReLU, I think, or leaky squared ReLU to beat the record. We'll see about that. Layers is just forward, multi-head attention, feed forward, etc. Optimizers, we are using Muon and AdamW. So Muon for 2D matrices, AdamW for other like embeddings. Releases, we're going to be releasing the models, but these are not good. I'm going to delete these. I'll see. Originally, I wanted to release a model every week, but I don't have compute to release a useful model every week. So maybe I'll just release like research results and stuff. Scripts is upload to Hugging Face, generate like inference, evaluation, which we are not using. Tests is just something that Claude Code does, like test for bugs or something. I'm not even sure what it does here. Training is to train, and we have evaluation as well, but we are not using it currently. Utils is just, you can use this to track your GPU usage, like memory and compute. Other than that, how to contribute and the leaderboard, and that's it. I need to update this to be like, we need to create like a bit better rules, because open source projects are gonna die if they don't have good rules. Like no good rules, open source projects die. So if you want to beat the record, usually we're going to look around like attention mechanism, maybe implementing like DeepSeek sparse attention, compressed sparse attention, or yeah, this is maybe the main part. I don't know about the feed forward network. I don't know where it is even. Maybe rotary. We could look around this, but I think attention mechanism is the main thing to change to beat the records. So my idea here is that we also learn how to do like globally distributed research and how to do auto research. I'm gonna be creating tools, adding to this. Maybe I should create like some command that's gonna like set up everything, just easily ran by the AI agent. So we'll see if we are gonna add auto research tools around this as well. Because the idea is that as we build our LLM and we compete with everybody else on artificial analysis, etc., we know exactly what other people are building, so our open source will actually help everybody. Because we are building the same thing, we know what's going on, so we are building, so it will help everybody. So if you want to contribute, you can join the Discord. We need to figure out not only how to like build the LLM, but also how to build the community and research and auto research and everything around it. So that's it for this video. If you are a complete beginner, you don't know like what to do anything in AI research, or you want to learn better, you can join the school community here. My goal is to help you to be able to learn how to do AI research, so you can eventually contribute here, and everything you learn in school, you learn contributing to our open projects as well, you will be doing in the real AI research company or in your real AI research life. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.